Hey guys, thanks for coming back to On The Go Crypto. We're going to talk about price predictions for Kaspa, realistic price targets, realistic figures, realistic pullout points based on actual real charts and analysis, guys. Not based on hopium and not based on what I think you guys want to hear. This is real stuff. It's not FUD. They're good price predictions in my opinion, but I want to keep it real and logical so you guys know where to be making moves with your money when this thing pops off, because it's not even popped off. This chart, this is the all-time chart, you guys. We forget this is all bear market. You know, this is the 1 year. Here's the all-time, just a little bit longer out. This is all bear market. When the bull market really takes off, because it's not yet, when it really takes off, Kaspa is going to really melt our faces faster than I think any of us are ready for. And it's important to remember that those moves are going to be fast and steep, and the volume is going to be in upwards of $200 to $300 million in 24-hour trading volume. That's going to make these 200s, these low 200 numbers and mid 200 numbers that we've been seeing look like child's play. I want to thank you guys for coming back to another Kaspa video. Please do go ahead and like the video, guys, if you will. It really helps me out. You know, that's all I ever need from you guys, and it really helps me out tremendously when you guys really do that. So please do give the video a like, guys. This is going to be a great one. Let's get started, because Kaspa is in a downturn. You can see this here on the all-time chart, and it looks dramatic, doesn't it? But when we break that down over the monthly here, this is really what we're looking at. And there's another chart here that's a little bit better. You can go over to livecoinwatch.com and get a different look at the chart, right? This is just a different way to see it. The volume's broken down differently, everything's shaded differently, and it's a lot easier to see. This all-time chart, look how steep those look, those gaps, the downturns. But when you bring up the 90-day, which is before this run-up and including the run-up, here's those same gaps. Look how minimal those are. We will be above this all-time high again very soon. Okay, that 15.47 is going to look like nothing very soon. Over the next few months, you will see this will be looking like this. We will be calling this before the run-up. That's just the way Kaspa is going to print on the chart. Now, why is it going to do that? Well, one reason, it's great news. The Ice River KS Pro miners are out now. They're back off of back order. They have them back in stock. I know I'm getting one. Let me know if you guys are getting one. These things are going to sell out fast. You know, this is in no way a promo video. I'm just really excited about this, and I wanted you guys to know, if you guys have been waiting on these to come back in stock like I have, they're here. The adoption for Kaspa is massive. So what can we look for in an actual realistic price goals for Kaspa? Now, everybody is talking about Kaspa. Oh, Kaspa is going to be a top 3 crypto. I don't doubt that. I don't doubt it'll be right here one day. You know, we don't count stable coins, right? You know, this USDC and Tether, go ahead and take them out of the equation. What we're really talking about is going from, obviously Kaspa is not going to be sitting in the #1 spot. Let's be realistic, okay? That's for granddaddy. Number 2 to number 5. That is the real estate, okay? Ethereum, I understand everybody believes that Kaspa can absolutely take on Ethereum, right, in the long run. But right now, I think what we're looking at is, you know, exclude Tether. We're looking at the number 4 spot here with BNB and XRP. The problem with BNB is a good problem. It's super adopted, right? It's integrated into tens of thousands of cryptos all across its blockchain. It is not going anywhere. It's been sleeping, actually, honestly. This is a super low price. I would have expected BNB to be in the $400 range right now with all of their FUD and all of their legal stuff that they just got through. I think it just suppressed them down, and they're going to be a late bloomer in this sort of pre-bull run that we've been experiencing. But XRP, I hold XRP. This is not FUD for XRP. But I do believe that if we kept the structure 1 through 5 and included these stable coins, I believe the number 5 spot here is what we can expect Kaspa to target. Now, that I'm fully aware of this $33 billion market cap, but I think that Kaspa has 30x potential minimum from these levels, where we are now, sitting at the 11 and 12 and 13s. I believe Kaspa can absolutely do that because of the tokenomics, because of the retail FOMO that will take place when we really enter the market. So I expect Kaspa to end up in the 70s for market cap. $70 billion market cap is where I see Kaspa. Of course, that would dwarf BNB's current market cap and XRP's market cap. But we have to remember, this number is the one to watch whenever everything kicks off. The global crypto market cap right here. Right now we're at 1.59 trillion global crypto market cap. That will be around 5 to 6 trillion in the peak of this next bull run. And that will drive all of these market caps much higher than they've ever gone before. Not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, but BNB, XRP, Solana, and the like. I believe that in that scenario, we will see Kaspa 30x up into the 70, 75, upper $70 billion market cap. And I believe that that will put us right here, resting in the bottom of the top 5. That is going to be a $3 to $4 Kaspa, in my opinion. Totally reasonable, completely achievable. There's a lot of people calling for $5 to $10 Kaspa. That is absolutely possible as well. I'm not fudding that. I'm not saying that that can't happen. I'm just saying that on this channel, you all know, if you watch these videos, you know I stay conservative. So I'm not going to be around with a full bag of Kaspa at $10. I will hold on to an allocation of Kaspa. Like I usually say, it's 5 to 10% to see where the top ends up for Kaspa, for other cryptos like Quant. I want to see where the top goes, but I unfortunately don't have the ironclad skin that some of you seasoned investors do to leave 99% of your portfolio in until you think you time the top. I'm way more conservative, and whenever it all shakes out, I'm going to do smart profit taking, logically, based on the current market sentiment, the current volume per crypto. And with Kaspa, I think we all know where that volume is going. This is all going to look like kindergarten class. I think over the next 6 months, it's going to change a lot of fudders' minds. We're going to see a lot of retail FOMO pile in, and those profit targets are going to change from $1 is the obvious, right? Everyone's going to go crazy at $1, so you want to be smart and pull out shy of $1. Call it 80 to 90 cents. If $1 is your target, you need to be smart about it and leave before everybody else is going to. I obviously think that if you are in significant profits, 3, 5x, that you should be taking profits out before that level. Take your initial investment. Be smart. Don't be greedy. The next level's up between 1 to 150. If you're a 150 target, 140 is really where you need to be playing that exit. If it's 150 to $2, you need to be playing 160 to 170, 180, depending on how the volume's playing out and the sentiment in the market. And above that, guys, you need to have your percentages pulled out in advance so you're making money in smaller amounts, bigger values on the way up. You need to be pulling those out so that when you get to the top, your smallest value, percentage-wise, is worth so much more. Secure your profits. That's the whole point. It's literally the point of this entire YouTube channel. Make easy money and gains, but secure the money. Be smart. Don't be a bag holder. Kaspa is going to leave a lot of people holding bags, and that sounds negative, but every crypto does that. When you try to time the top, you end up looking like a fool, and that's with, excluding 1% of the traders out there. And if some of you are watching this video, share your secrets, because it's really hard to time the top, and I think it's smarter and more responsible for me to tell as many people as I can, don't try to do that. So let me know what you guys are going to do. That's all I got for this video. In the meantime, guys, stay calm, make that money, and I'll see you again. Thanks.